All right, we got the Genesee Black. 8% alcohol by volume. Genesee Brewing Company, Rochester, New York.
Yeah, I thought it was from back east.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I think Genesee's been around for quite a while. Yeah, I'm kind of curious to see what the black beer is about. Traditional German black beers, Schwarzbiers, are kind of like a pale lager almost, but they're dark in color, right? There's some darker grains in there, and it adds a little just extra dimension to it. It's interesting they make it in a bum can.
Yeah, kind of like an ale color.
Yeah, it's not really dark like a black beer at all. So
white head, pillowy.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of aroma to it. Doesn't seem too strong.
It's good.
Yeah. It almost has like a berry flavor to it.
There's kind of a fruity almost aspect to it, out of the maltiness.
Yeah, like a blackberry or something. That's probably why it's black.
There's definitely some booze to it.
Yeah.
Like it's real alcoholic tasting. Kind of, yeah, it's interesting. I don't like the finish at all.
Yeah, it's a little powerful.
Like I like the beginning, and you get a little bit of maltiness out of it, and I like how it almost has a Pilsner kind of yeasty sort of character, and flavor and smell to it, but the finish is, the alcohol in the finish is not that
appealing.
Yeah, you do get a little bit of fruitiness from from the yeast, or just kind of residual esters from, fermentation or whatever. I think it's decent overall. I don't like the finish.
Well,
on it,
yeah,
I don't like how it lingers. It almost lingers like a cheaper kind of, like a cheaper kind of fortified sort of deal.
Right. Yeah, the front half is great. The back half is a little disappointing, but
yeah, it's light and it's crisp and it's refreshing. I do, for whatever reason, really like the yeast character to it that it has. It's got that kind of, German Czech Pilsner kind of aspect to it. Almost a little caramely,
a little
malty profile to it in the front, but I don't know, something about it. But I do see it going with kind of a wide variety of stuff.
Oh yeah, it's not dark enough to be like any sort of like glaze or fucking, but you can still do it.
Absolutely, yeah. I would go with some meats. It would certainly be a good chicken beer. Like it'd be awesome.
Oh yeah.
With
fried chicken.
Yeah, or roasted, like on a spit or something. In the glass too. See the lace work all over the glass, how it's sticking to that and being nice and lacy like that. That's good and dexterous and. It looks like they built the beer well.
Well, yeah, they just fucked up on the back end of it, I guess.
Yeah, it'd be really good with whatever kind of chicken, even like a Cajun, a Cajun sautéed chicken.
Right.
Do more of like a creamy sauce with it or something, real spicy. This would be good with real spicy stuff, spicy sausage.
It'd be a good mixture with like homemade, like a honey barbecue sauce or something. Just kind of toss it in there a little bit. And,
fuck yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you know what I mean?
Yeah, honey would be really good with it. You could even do something with the sweet and salty, like a honey soy dressing that would go on some greens or, something like that, a little more like a Japanese way,
Yeah, that's good.
Because it has that kind of Pilsner aspect up front that you would get from like a Sapporo or a Asahi or something like that.
Yeah, and the berry flavor kind of gives it a little, I wouldn't say tropical, I guess, but it would go good with some sort of tropical stuff, to me. I don't know, like roast beef sandwiches. Like roast beef would go good with it.
Overall, I think it's pretty solid. I like the Pilsner sort of aspect to it.
Well,
it's a little boozy. I'm like, if it was toned down a little, I think the finish would carry a little easier. This is just kind of much. And plus, I don't understand the whole black beer situation. So this might just be like Genesee Black, and it's a, black label, black line, it's something, you know, special. Like maybe they have a white one or a blue one, or I don't know. But
I was kind of getting a.
it's not black beer. It's not German Schwarzbier.
Right.
And that's what I thought it was going to be.
And
That's why I bought it. I thought it was going to be a Schwarzbier,
Yeah.
which is something you don't find.
This is sideways to me.
Yeah.
It's
It's
definitely
sideways.
sideways.
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
it's all right for what it is. But I wouldn't